Render layer colors, part 1. Let's get into it. In the top level constants macro section, we have added debug tile colors. We have the color for geometry, bombs, and fata. That's going to be green, blue, and red respectively for the hues of the different geometry layers. For the tile size exponents, we have geometry, bombs, and fata, and then we have different luminosities for the smallest to largest tile size exponent. The smallest tiles will be the brightest, and the largest tiles will be the darkest because they're in the background. We have a lookup table in the data section, 2 of them. This one is going to convert the layer to a float 32 hue for the geom, bombs, and fata. Then we have something that takes a layer and tile size exponent and converts it to a float 32 lum for the geom, bombs, and fata for all of the different tile size exponents. So we have 0 to 6 right here for the tile size exponent range. In shader source frag number 5, we have one more section. We have to recreate all of these different constants we made on the CPU, because we can't just inject them with templating syntax. We also have to do a float 32 constructor cast, and we'll give them the exact same name for the define as the name used on the CPU side. Once we have those defines recreated, so that's all we're doing, right? Recreating these defines, recreating these. Once we recreate them, then we can make our lookup tables on the GPU side. They have the exact same name as the ones on the CPU side, just different syntax because now we're in C code or GLSL code, same thing. What we did previously, and footnotes, and what we did in this video. So if you want more details, you can go to this playlist. You've been on this playlist. You can get the source code for this video right here, and you can email me here. 194, like and subscribe.